Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jadi hari ni kami nak explain mengenai storyboard dengan lebih detail. Macam tadi Medium dah tengok kita orang punya layout. Itu basically the layout. Dan ini mungkin the way kita orang nak explain dengan lagi detail. Okay, so basically kita ada player. Macam yang kita cakap sebelum ni, like we said before, there is platform movement yang mana dia boleh kalau doktor klik on the right, dia akan gerak right. This one is without animation. Kalau klik left, dia akan go left. Kalau klik up, dia akan jump. And kalau klik space, dia akan shoot a bullet from the gun lah, from the gun point. So right now, the concept of this game adalah kita cuba untuk nak kasih kesedaran. So sebenarnya before anything, before dia akan approach another sprite, dia akan keluar satu window. Sebagai contoh macam this one, assume je kalau this player gerak on the right, walking on the right, here every time here kita akan ada satu sprite yang mana invisibility dia adalah kita set sebagai invisible. So bila dia akan collide with this invisible sprite, akan ada satu Windows yang akan keluar. Sebagai contoh macam this thing adalah mengenai sanitizer, dia akan satu Windows akan keluar yang mengatakan bahawa dia akan kasih satu fact about the hand sanitizer lah. So when we read about all of this thing, dia macam kasih awareness to the player, and then we click resume, kita dapat main macam biasa. So click resume and then kita dapat main macam biasa. So whenever this thing is collected, okay, sanitizer is collected, one thing that you need to know adalah this sanitizer akan being destroyed. And here as you can see in here, this sanitizer akan menjadi 4 lah, from 5 akan menjadi 4, and this player need to find another 4 sanitizer. So from here, player akan jump, ataupun player akan jump sambil shooting, sambil kill this sprite. Macam kita dah cakap tadi, this virus monster, dia ada dia punya health point dengan dia ada attack point. Kalau this thing, kalau dia collide dengan player punya health point akan berkurangan. Okay, and then kalau bullet of the player kena dekat this monster punya health point akan berkurang sampailah dia akan destroy. So when they destroy, and then from here dia akan go upstairs. Okay, dia akan jump from here. Bila dia jump, okay, sini kita akan nampak ada spike. Okay, when we see spike, okay, spike ni dia akan destroykan terus health. Dia akan automatically from, tak kisah whatever your health is, once you jump into the spike, you will die terus lah. So from this, you need to jump, and then we going through the same procedure, di mana kita akan attack this thing again and again lah, this monster again and again, and then kita nampak another sanitizer, we collect. Okay, now we have this monster. Okay, this monster dia akan keluarkan bullet. This virus adalah bullet dalam movement speed yang agak laju sebenarnya. Compared to this one is more to passive. Dia tak ada keluarkan bullet, dia hanya bergerak and then menuju kepada player. But this one, dia akan keluarkan bullet, walaupun daripada jauh. So what we have to do adalah kita kena lompat sambil tembak. Okay, lompat sambil tembak until this thing is destroyed. Okay, sebenarnya agak hard because of dia akan keluarkan bullet. Sambil kita lompat tu kita kena tembak, dia agak susah sikit sebenarnya. So bila dia dah destroy, dia akan hilang lah. So bila dia dah destroy, dia akan hilang, and then kita akan jumpa another sanitizer. Okay, this is the trickiest part. Selepas this cannon being destroyed, okay, apa yang kita kena buat adalah, okay, this game is all about awareness. Okay, in this COVID-19, the most important things is about the social distance. Okay, one of the things, the reason why we have to stay at home is because we wanted to avoid from the virus to be widened lah. So we wanted to flatten the curve by applying social distance and stay at home. So here is actually one of the trickiest part because of between the virus and the social distance, which one would you choose? But the virus, if you stay at here, the virus takkan attack you sebenarnya, because of dia akan move from here and here, but kita still boleh tembak dia. But if you go here, you are not applying the stay safe slogan. You are not applying the stay safe slogan into your life, and you are actually avoiding social distance. So So basically the things that you supposedly to be done, okay, is you have to go here lah, and then kill this virus and get another hand sanitizer. Okay, so from here, oops, sorry. So here is also the trickiest part, because you have to attack the bosses. Okay, you have to attack the bosses. Meanwhile, at the back of the bosses, dia ada satu bullet, ada satu cannon, virus cannon. So what happen is dia akan kena attack sambil tembak from here. Dia akan kena tembak sambil jump lah. Tembak sambil jump, tembak sambil jump, tembak sambil jump, and then dia akan kena kill this cannon lah. So dia akan collect another sanitizer. But before dia boleh masuk rumah, okay, before dia boleh masuk rumah dia, this monster yang dia bunuh ni, dia akan spawnkan something which is washing hand. So before dia masuk rumah, the player have to wash hand first, baru boleh masuk rumah. Okay, so player have to go back, wash hand here, and then baru boleh masuk rumah. So basically the concept of this level 1 dengan level 2 adalah sama sebenarnya. The concept kena collect sanitizer, kena destroy the monster, and kena destroy the bosses. The things yang different adalah in term of difficulty. Other than that, it is just the same. Thank you, Doktor. Saya harap Doktor faham. Stay safe, happy Ramadan.